Hi everyone, Happy New Year Eve. So today morning I got a message from a friend asking what's your plan for New Year, and I had no plans. So reaching the 30s phase of my life, my only goal right now was this day should be as regular as it is एवरी डे बिकॉज मुझे अपना नया साल अलग तरीके से नहीं चालू करना था. आई वॉन्टेड टू मेंटेन दैट कंसिस्टेंसी, दैट डिसिप्लिन एज आई मेंटेन in my regular day. So yes, that was my plan and that's how it's going on. I am no more the same person I was in 20s ki oh my god it is new year और न्यू ईयर में ये करना है, न्यू ईयर की ईव में ये करना है, आई हैव टू सेलेक्ट माई बेस्ट क्लोथ्स. नो, not like that. Right now I just want to maintain my regular self, my regular routine, and enjoy the day. I just want peace. So yet another my episode, or what to say, thing that come to you today with. There is two reasons. One, I got few makeup packages. I will just brief them कि मैंने क्या क्या मंगवाया. And second, I got this new mic. I really hope it works. If it doesn't, तो पता नहीं. So basically I have not connected this part with my iPhone because mine is lightning cable and this is a C-type. So I have used my charger to connect it somehow, and I hope it is working. But if not, let me know how this should work, like how it usually people do it. Okay, so coming to the regular stuff. I have got few stuffs, few things that we get through makeup facilities, and I got the same. And the one which I have used for buying them is as usual Nykaa, and that because that is my favorite spot to go and buy stuffs. And these are the few things that got like I have finished them and I want them back. So yes, tada, it is the one. So आज मैं ज़्यादा इन सब चीज़ों में नहीं बोलूँगी. I will just keep it simple and I'll just brief them what are they and what I have got और क्यों मैंने इनको मंगवाया. एंड आई गिव, और इसमें से अगर कुछ नया है और समथिंग विच आई एम मिसिंग, आई हैव नॉट गिवन अ रिव्यू, आई गिव अ रिव्यू इन माई नेक्स्ट फ्यू एपिसोड्स. ओके, सो आई स्टार्ट विथ समथिंग जो मैं रेगुलरली यूज़ करती हूँ. आई डोंट नो मैंने इनका रिव्यूज़ लिए हैं या नहीं, बट दीज आर माई रेगुलर्स. आई एम वेरी मच लॉयल टू देम एंड आई लव देम. So yes, this is the one. This is the L'Oreal Paris Inflammable Full Wear Concealer, जो मैं यूजुअली अपने आईज़, अंडर आईज़ या बिलो अब माई लिप्स, और मेरा यहाँ पे एक बर्थ मार्क है, मैं उसके लिए यूज़ करती हूँ. दिस इज़ द वन. सेकेंड, एज मैंने अपने लास्ट मेकअप वीडियो में चिक चैट वाले वीडियो में बोला था कि मैं मिलानी का फाउंडेशन यूज़ करती हूँ. दिस इज़ द मिलानी कंसीलर प्लस परफेक्ट फाउंडेशन, 2-in-1 फाउंडेशन. और मेरा जो शेड है इट इज़ टैन 09 एंड दैट आई लव इट. इट्स बीन 4 years maybe I'm using it and I'm not going to change it. As I said in my last video, मैं एक बार कोई चीज़ चालू कर देती हूँ, मैं उसको नहीं चेंज कर सकती. Next is I have been using this from past 6-7 months now. This is Estee Lauder का नाइट रिपेयर क्रीम, नाइट रिपेयर सिरम, एंड आई लव इट. मेरे स्किन में अभी बहुत सारे ब्रेकआउट्स है बिकॉज मेरे थोड़े वेदर चेंज हुए थे. मेरे आई हैड बीन टू प्लेसेस जहाँ पे मेरे वेदर्स मेरे को सूट नहीं हुए, बट आई लव दिस सीरम एंड इट हैज़ वर्क वंडर इन माई स्किन. मतलब फाइन लाइन्स एंड स्टफ, what's those. And yes, this is the one which I use for my shampoo. This is a Love Beauty and Planet ka, I don't know the full name very fluent, but yeah, it is Love Beauty and Planet ka argan oil and lavender ka shampoo. So I wouldn't say ki bahut like it is having some magical properties, I don't know about those, but yes, I love this. I love its texture on my scalp and it is organic and I love it. So yes, that's the one. मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा एक शैम्पू के लिए फाइनलाइज करना, बट yes, इसका तो मैंने एपिसोड बनाया है. दिस इज़ माई गो टू सनस्क्रीन. मैं अगर घर पे हूँ, मैं जिम में जा रही हूँ, इफ़ आई एम नॉट going to some party or somewhere else, I always rely and depend on this. So go for it guys, this is a very good sunscreen. ये भी मैंने ऑलरेडी बनाया था इसका एपिसोड. दिस इज़ माई, I love this sunscreen as well, but I usually save it. ये बहुत महंगा है and I save it for special occasions. So yes, this is a Beauty of Jisson का sunscreen and I love it. I love the texture it does to my skin, and if you still want to know more about it, go to my other past episodes. I have taken a good episode, made good episodes on this. So yes, this is my Beauty of Jisson sunscreen. And the last one, it was a very heavy package, let me tell you guys. ये कुछ 11,000 समथिंग का पैकेज था. Makeups are very costly these days. So yeah, but yes, a woman needs what she needs, right? So yes, this is something new which I'm gonna start. I heard a lot about this 345 cream on breakouts. This is a relief cream and supposedly it works wonder on acne prone skins. और मेरे को lately कुछ 1-1.5 महीने से बहुत acnes हो रहे हैं. You can already see them. बहुत दाग भी छोड़ रहे हैं. So I'm gonna start using this. I've already actually applied today after my bathing. So I'm gonna give this review after using it after a few months. But yes, this was my last purchase. I had one more product but वो अभी तक आया नहीं है. So total package कुछ 14,000 का था but वो आया नहीं. So अगर वो आ गया होता तो it would have been the total amount, but ये अभी 11,000 का products है. So hope to give you some feedback very soon. So that's all from my end today, and if you like this and do watch my content, I'll hope to come up with a feedback video very soon on something which I use very regularly and I have very good experience onto it. So I'm thinking to get a video very soon onto it. Till then, be hooked with my channel, Glow and Tell. Bye, take care.